When most people think about building or renovating a home, they expect it to be stressful, unclear timelines, budget surprises, not really knowing what's happening next. Our goal at Glenaden Homes is to take that stress out of the process. We do that by running a very structured, transparent system so you always feel informed and in control of your project. By the time we start construction, we've already gone through a detailed pre-construction phase together. So your plans are developed, your budget is aligned, and now we're moving into execution with a clear plan. Every project starts with a formal kickoff. We'll introduce your full project team, walk through roles and responsibilities, and go over your schedule by phase. We'll also look ahead to the first 90 days, what's coming up, what decisions we'll need from you, and anything we've identified as a potential risk early on. The goal is that you always know what's happening next, not reacting to things last minute. From day one, you'll have access to your own homeowner portal. This is really the hub of your entire project. You can log in at any time and see your schedule, track progress with photos and updates, review documents, and stay on top of anything that needs your attention. So instead of wondering what's going on, you always have a clear picture of your project. One of the most important parts of that portal is your budget. You can see exactly where your project stands in real time, your original budget, any approved changes, and how everything is tracking overall. Every change order is clearly documented and requires your approval before we move forward. So you're never in a position where costs are being added without your knowledge. Our goal is that there are no financial surprises, only informed decisions. We also structure communication so nothing gets missed. You'll receive regular daily logs with photos from site and weekly reports that show what was completed and what's coming next. We'll also flag anything we need from you, decisions, approvals, or upcoming deadlines. And on top of that, we have scheduled site meetings where we walk through the project together. So you're always up to date without having to chase information. At the same time, there's a lot happening behind the scenes. We're coordinating trades, working with inspectors, consulting engineers when needed, and collaborating with your architect and designer to make sure everything is built the way it was intended. You don't have to manage those moving parts, that's our role. And throughout the entire process, we're running internal quality checks at every phase. Before and after each stage, we go through detailed checklists to make sure everything has been completed properly before moving forward. Nothing gets skipped and nothing moves ahead until it meets our standards. That's how we catch issues early before they become bigger problems later. There are always a few decisions that happen during construction, whether it's final finishes or specific selections. We track all of those in your portal with clear deadlines tied to the schedule. That way, materials are ordered on time and your project keeps moving forward without delays. Even with the best planning, unexpected things can come up. It could be site conditions, material availability, or trade-related delays. When that happens, we take a structured approach. We bring in the right people, present you with clear options, explain any impacts, and work to keep everything moving forward. No panic, just solutions. As we get into the final stages of your project, things start moving quickly. We'll typically increase the frequency of our site meetings so we can stay aligned and make decisions in real time. Our focus here is making sure everything is completed properly and nothing holds up your move-in. About a week before move-in, we'll walk the home together and identify anything that still needs attention. We then schedule a full professional clean so your home is truly move-in ready. and we'll do one final walkthrough with you before everything moves in. Once you're in the home, we give you a bit of time to settle in. Then we come back around the 30-day mark to take care of any touch-ups. And after your first year, once your home has gone through all 4 seasons, we come back again to address any natural settling. We're here even after the project is complete. At the end of the day, this is a big investment and it should feel well managed. Our process is designed so you always know what's happening, where things stand, and what's coming next. So instead of stress and uncertainty, you get a clear, structured experience from start to finish.